Hey everybody, Will It Play here, and I got an interesting question that got presented to me. A question of epic proportion, of all things. The question, why don't I review or do unboxings of like Anbernic and Miyoo and RGX based handhelds? The answer is pretty simple, basically. These handhelds all basically are the same, with the exception of maybe one or two devices. What I have on my trip here is actually a Miyoo Mini Plus, something that I've been wanting for a while now, and I've been wanting to do a quick unboxing, but I couldn't. But I can actually do a review on. Keep on the lookout because I will be posting up a video on such things. The main reason why I don't generally do reviews or unboxings of like Anbernic based devices and other handhelds that basically run Android and most of the time run the same MediaTek or Snapdragon or even rock chip based CPUs with the bare minimum 1 to 4 gigabytes of RAM. And that's the fact that they run Android. Android can emulate a lot of stuff. And most of these devices also run RetroArch, which with the correct core, you can pretty much emulate anything. Now, I'm not denouncing the fact that they're not all different. Yeah, they are different. But the fact of the matter is, they're all built differently with the same practical software and most of the time the same hardware. If I was to take a chance to do a review or unboxing video for one of these devices, I would probably push the RG405M or V because I like the handheld's basic functionality, or one of them that can run dual core with like Linux and Android, because then there's something that can be managed in the review doing an apples to oranges comparison compared to an apples to apples comparison. Basically, it's like me taking my phone here and saying, hey, I'm going to install md.mu, which is a very nice open source emulator for Mega Drive and Sega Genesis, and I'm going to pretty much run the emulator on everything. Not my thing. No. Actually, but I do have, like I said, the Miyoo Mini Plus. I will be doing a review video here, posting it up soon. Keep your eyes open for that. It's gonna be interesting. So, yeah. This is why I don't generally do unboxing and reviews of handhelds that run that base hardware. It's just boring and repetitive, in my opinion. Unless there's some major alteration, like the difference between an AMD 6800U, 4800U, or 8840U based device running Windows or Linux, then yeah, that's definitely a difference in comparison. It allows me to literally make content that would make it interesting for y'all to see the difference between them all. Anyways, hope you enjoyed and hit that like and subscribe, and like always, Pete being amazing.